Alrighty, so welcome everybody. Today we're going to talk about the HoloLens 2. So the HoloLens 2 is a mixed reality device that increases student engagement and also improves student learning outcomes by enhancing instructor-led and also student-led activities. One example of an instructor-led activity is what we're going to be doing this spring 2022 on Saturdays from 9 to 1 are going to be our ESL technology courses, and the hope is that we will be incorporating a HoloLens 2 lab with those. And an example of a student-led activity is we are going to incorporate the HoloLens 2 into our international cafes, where students come to converse with other students and develop their language skills. What you need to know about the HoloLens 2 is that it is every technological resource you need at your fingertips. So to give a little bit of examples of that, I'm going to look at the 3D viewer. So within HoloLens, you can look at and play with 3D holograms. So I'm going to go into the mixed reality portal. So from the 3D library, you have available to you a lot of different animations. So let's pick on this pug right here, because who doesn't love a pug? See? So download your model. And then once you have your model, you can play it. So this is an animated model. And so you can kind of go around it. You can also, turn the model how you want to and kind of manipulate it like that as you're interacting with it. And I've seen this already, but it still makes me laugh. So much tension. Oh, there it is! So you have a variety of models to play with, and really all you need to know about the HoloLens 2 is that it has everything you need and can really enhance your experience learning another language. So thank you.